माझ महला तीजा माया मुह जगत सबाया त्रैगुण दिसह मोहे माया गुर प्रसादी को विरलाभ छै चौथे पद लिव लावण्या। The whole universe is engrossed in the love of worldly veil of falsehood. The whole lot of mankind is enamored by the three-pronged Maya. This point is realized by the Guru-minded people through the Guru's guidance as by rising above the normal life of three-pronged activities, they attain the fourth stage of equipoise and attain union with Vaheguru. हाँ वारी जियो वारी माया मोह शब्द जलावण्या माया मोह जलाए सो हर स्यो चित लाए हर दर महली शोभा पावण्या रहाओ। I offer myself as a sacrifice, my soul as a sacrifice to those Guru-minded people who rid themselves of the worldly attachments through Guru's guidance. Such people who burn away their love of worldly pleasures, they set their minds on love of Vaheguru and finally get rewarded with praise in Vaheguru's presence. Pause. देवी देवा मूल है माया सिमृत शास्त्र जिन उपाया काम क्रोध पसर्या संसारे आए जाए दुख पावण्या। The origin of all the Devis, Devas, gods and goddesses, they take shape from the worldly veil of falsehood, Maya. They all entertain the love of worldly pleasures when they introduce the books of learnings like Shastras and Simritis. The source, the root of gods and goddesses in the Simritis and Shastras are from Maya. Wanton desires and anger are diffused throughout the universe, coming and going. People suffer in pain. तिस विच ज्ञान रतन इक पाया गुर प्रसादी मन वसाया जत सच संजम सच कमावे गुरपुरै नाम त्यावण्या। Vaheguru placed the jewel of spiritual wisdom within the universe. By Guru's grace, it is enshrined within the mind. Celibacy, chastity, self-discipline, and the practice of truthfulness, they are all obtained through the perfect Guru by meditating and immersing one in the name of Vaheguru. पेड़ै तन परम पुलाणी दूजे लागी फिर पछोताणी हलत पलत दोवें गवाए सुपने सुख न पावण्या। The soul pride in her parents' home gets diluted by the doubt. She remains attached to dual-mindedness and later she comes to repent it. She damages both this world and the next, and even in her dreams she cannot find peace. पेड़ै तन कंत समाले गुर प्रसादी वेखै नाले फिर कै सहज रहे रंग राती शब्द श्रृंगार बनावण्या। The soul bride who who remembers the name of Vaheguru, her husband God in this world, she by Guru's grace is able to see him close at hand. She remains intuitively attuned to the love of her beloved God, and she makes the word of his Shabad her decorations. सफल जन्म जिन्ना सतगुरु पाया, दूजा पाओ गुरु शब्द जलाया, एको रव रहया कट अंतर, मिल सत संगत हर गुण गावणिया. Fruitful and successful is the coming of those into this birth who find the Satguru, true Guru. Through the word of Guru's Shabad, they are able to get rid of love of duality. The one God is permeating and pervading deep within the heart, joining the Sat Sangat, the true holy congregation. They sing the glorious praises of God. सतगुर न सेवे सो काहे आया, त्रिग जीवन बिरथा जन्म गवाया, मनमुख नाम चित्त नावै, बिन नावै बहु दुख पावणिया. Those who do not come into service of Satguru, true Guru, why were they even born? Their lives are cursed. They have uselessly wasted this human birth. The self-will manmukhs, they do not remember the Naam. Without the Naam, they suffer in terrible pain. जिन शिष्ट साजी सोई जाने, आपे मिले शब्द पछाणे, नानक नाम मिलया तिन जन को, जिन तुर मस्तक लेख लिखावणिया. Vaheguru, who created this universe, he alone knows the secret of this world. He unites with himself those who realize the Shabad. O Nanak, they alone receive the Naam, upon whose forehead such preordained destiny is recorded.